Of 2012, 3 people, including a young teenage girl, were murdered. The man suspected of killing them is in jail, but still hasn't gone to trial.
ABC-7 Stephanie Valle looked into the case. She shares this story of justice delayed. It's our special report, only on ABC-7.
It's one of the most jarring homicide cases in recent history.
When I first heard about it, I was actually at work.
We know that it was a horrible, horrible death for all 3.
This really is a heartbreaking story.
Just when you think that things are getting better, a memory or something said, something seen, something taking place, just takes us right back to that day.
I thank God for things I don't remember.
Cassandra Robinson and Betty Aguilar didn't know each other before May 31st, 2012. Since then, they've had a friendship forged through violence. Robinson's granddaughter, Cassandra Holt, and Aguilar's brother, Eric de Santiago,
He was my baby brother.
both found dead in an East El Paso home that morning. Holt, only 13 years old.
As I'm talking to you, I see her face, and every time I think about her, there's this big, humongous smile. You know, and that's the way the few years she was here, that's the way she lived.
The man accused of their murder, Luis Solis Gonzalez, the ex-husband of Holt's mother, Marisol Saldivar, who was also found dead May 31st. Solis Gonzalez has sat in the county jail ever since turning himself in the next day. The district attorney is pursuing the death penalty.
Solis Gonzalez has been in a courtroom numerous times since the triple homicide, but only for pretrial hearings. Right now, the case is on hold indefinitely, pending a decision by the Criminal Court of Appeals.
At issue, a new law recently passed by the Texas legislature. It allows for defendants to have all evidence that may contain biological evidence or DNA to be tested. Solis Gonzalez's court-appointed attorney Joe Spencer asked that all 200 pieces of evidence be tested. Even though all the testing is finished, the trial can't move forward until the Court of Appeals rules on whether all the testing is necessary.
It would be a real tragedy is if we rushed to trial on this case and there was some procedural error or constitutional error. 10, 15 years from now, we're trying this case again.
The district attorney agrees.
If we were to take a shortcut, the process may not be fair and the result may not be really what the community deserves.
Meantime, the families are in limbo.
Every day, you know, just wondering, well, maybe today, and maybe I'll get a call, and maybe something will happen.
That's tantamount to torture.
Waiting nearly 4 years for a case to go to trial.
But the biggest injustice is for us not to have justice. We are in a jail that we never put ourselves in.
Waiting for their release, waiting for some sort of closure. Stephanie Valle, ABC-7.
You can hear Stephanie's interviews with the families of the victims by clicking on this story on our website, KVIA.com.
Rick, the city of El Paso is trying to prevent another project from being delayed.